I don't hear my phone ring. Guess the world moved on. Funny how the silence hits the hardest tone. There's no sound of angry stomping, just quietness and peace. Now I stretch out on my sofa, there's plenty room for me. How I love being alone. All I want is living single, but I'm wrong, thinking I could try to move on. Living without a like so long. What have I done? There's no sound of keys unlocking that